Ever wondered how your screens and gadgets display such vivid colors? It's all thanks to LEDs, tiny lights that power our digital world. But for decades, one color was missing: blue. Without blue LEDs, we couldn't create true white light or the full spectrum of colors on our screens. Scientists cracked red and green LEDs in the 1960s, but blue was the final unsolved piece. The absence of blue held back everything from energy-saving bulbs to vibrant displays. Imagine painting the sky or ocean without blue. It just wasn't possible. The quest for blue LEDs became a legendary challenge in physics, with huge rewards for whoever solved it. The world waited for a breakthrough that would unlock brighter, more colorful, and energy-efficient technology. Whoever solved it would change the world, and they did. The story of the blue LED is about more than color. It's about unlocking a brighter future. Let's dive into how this missing blue light changed everything. LEDs, or light-emitting diodes, are simple in concept. Electricity flows through a semiconductor, and out comes light. Red and green LEDs were easy. Scientists had the right materials. But blue? Every attempt failed. The materials just wouldn't glow blue. Without blue, white LED light was impossible, and early digital displays were stuck with red or green numbers. The world needed all three primary colors, red, green, and blue, to make pure white light. For decades, blue LEDs were the holy grail of electronics. Many tried and failed, some even declared it impossible. But a few stubborn scientists refused to give up. They believed the right material and method could complete the LED rainbow. Their determination paved the way for the vibrant screens and efficient lighting we have today. The race for blue was on. The main obstacle? Gallium nitride, or GaN, a material perfect for blue light, but nearly impossible to work with. Growing flawless GaN crystals was like baking a cake that always collapsed. The next challenge: doping the material to control electricity flow. Scientists could make N-type GaN, but P-type, the other half needed for LEDs, seemed impossible. It was like trying to make a sandwich with only one slice of bread. Years of failed attempts made blue LEDs seem out of reach. Solving this puzzle required new ideas, new methods, and relentless creativity. The breakthrough would come only through patience and daring experimentation. The world was waiting for someone to crack the code. Enter Isamu Akasaki, Hiroshi Amano, and Shuji Nakamura, three Japanese scientists who refused to quit. Akasaki and Amano perfected growing smooth GaN crystals using a special buffer layer. Nakamura, working at a small company, secretly continued his blue LED research against his boss's wishes. He invented a new way to grow GaN and, crucially, figured out how to create P-type material by blasting it with electron beams. In 1993, Nakamura unveiled the first high-brightness blue LED, efficient, stable, and bright. This breakthrough completed the LED rainbow and sparked a revolution in lighting and displays. Their work earned them the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2014. They weren't in the biggest labs. They just believed in their idea and never gave up. Their story proves that persistence and creativity can change the world. Thanks to them, the impossible became reality. The blue LED was finally here. With blue LEDs, engineers could finally create pure white light, leading to the energy-saving bulbs lighting our homes today. These bulbs use far less energy and last for decades, helping fight climate change. Blue LEDs also power the vibrant screens on our phones, TVs, and computers. Every pixel is made of tiny red, green, and blue subpixels, creating millions of colors. Without blue LEDs, we'd still have bulky, power-hungry screens and no thin TVs or smartphones. Blue LED tech is everywhere. Car headlights, giant billboards, even Blu-ray players. The invention reshaped our world, from lighting to data storage. It's a testament to teamwork, creativity, and never giving up. Next time you see a blue light, remember, it's a symbol of human ingenuity. The blue LED reminds us to keep reaching for the impossible.